Hello everyone, this is Success Academy Global Insight April. We are now already moving into the second quarter of 2022. Are you all sticking to the plans you had at the beginning of this year? Atomy continues to stay determined each and every day, and we are practicing changes and innovation for the success of Global Atomy. That is why we will be going through what kind of activities Global Atomy engaged in during the first quarter of 2022. Here comes the first news story. For the consumers of countries that do not have a branch office, Atomy has been operating a global membership system since September 2020. There are 33 countries where global membership is available, and as of the end of March, the number of cumulative members stands at about 0.5 million. We could certainly witness the broad and strong influence Atomy has that is expanding globally. In the first quarter of this year, a total of 8 countries across Asia, Africa, Central and South America, and the Middle East have been added. Among them, the members of Nigeria and Haiti showed a noticeable increase. If you have any friends or acquaintances around you that didn't sign up for membership because there is no Atomy branch in their country, introduce global membership to them. It will go a long way toward your overseas business. Our next news is about the promotion of Global Atomy members. In the first quarter of 2022, a total of 5,483 members at overseas branches have been promoted. That is certainly amazing. We have a total of 4 members who are now Crown Masters, the first guests of honor for 2022. Shall we listen to their speech? We are certainly living in a globalized era. We are seeing many members being promoted overseas. And we are expecting more to be promoted as a result of joining our hearts in cooperation. We hope to see you make many partners overseas, become global leaders, and gather together overseas. We wish you all success. See you at the top. Don't you just wish you could join them? If you expand your business globally, then your chances of success will increase. Next is about the various seminars at Atomy. On Friday, April 8th, the second Global Center Directors Conference was held. This online event, which was held via Zoom, was first held in December last year. It was received well, and this conference marked the beginning of a program that will be held regularly. The conference served as a meaningful time as directors from various global branches gathered to share the different activities and operation know-how. The formula for success prepared by Imperial Master Duke Wu Li, the lecture prepared by Chairman Han Gil Park attracted a lot of attention from the directors of global centers. Since the pandemic is almost over and as we are moving toward the era of endemic COVID, there are various programs that are available offline. The second Global Center Directors Conference also invited more than 100 directors working in the field. In the future, we are planning to expand the program and invite many directors of our global centers abroad to come to Korea to listen to their lectures and have them visit the centers in Korea. We look forward to seeing passionate attention and participation from the directors of Global Atomy branches. New challenges Global Atomy should take on in 2022. There are global Chinese seminars and English seminars. The global Chinese English seminars that were newly implemented from the first quarter of this year are global seminars carried out in 2 different languages, Chinese and English. They are composed of company introduction, global product introduction, and vision lecture, which takes the same format of the existing one-day seminar.
There are seminars where members who speak English or Chinese who are living in various parts of the world can easily participate and gain indirect experience about Atomy.
The Global Chinese Seminar began in January, and the Global English Seminar began in February, once a month. They are aired via Zoom and YouTube at 11 a.m. and 9 p.m. Korean time. This event is attracting much attention from Global Atomy members already. We look forward to providing our members with pride and confidence in Atomy through more useful information and diverse contents. The online tour program, Atomy Stream, prepared for Atomy members worldwide, will be premiering on April 20th. Atomy Stream, newly launched last year, provides unique, diverse, and differentiated content such as Atomy Success System, tour of partner companies, product processing videos, etc., so that members can experience the vivid inspiration and vision they felt during the offline and online tours. It was warmly received by Global Atomy members. Unlike last year, where it was aired 4 times, once every quarter, it will be aired more frequently this year. The manufacturing process of Atomy Nut Mix and Slim Body Shake manufactured by Welchero Company Limited, introduced in Season 4 last year, will be introduced in more details in Atomy. Contents that show how successful people conduct their global business. Atomian's diary will be introduced, so stay tuned. The time when global Atomians become united as one. Atomy World Success Show that contains fun, inspiration, and useful information is back for this year as well. It has been aired through Atomy's official YouTube channel 4 times in total, on Friday, March 25th and Saturday, March 26th. Cumulative audience recorded approximately 43,000, and Atomy families working in various countries across the world sympathized with each other and dreamed of a bigger and better future. It was planned to remove language and border barriers so that all Atomy members can march forward toward one common vision by joining the global era with Atomy One marketing. We hope that this more specialized and professional World Success Show contributes to our members' success. We also had various comments after the show. The show with a whole new concept that never existed. We hope to see more members across the world watch this show. We are so proud of Atomy, so much so that we wish to introduce all the products and the cast members to everyone around us. We look forward to the next show. As such, there were lots of commendations and praises. Next news. 3 years of the COVID pandemic. As preventative measures loosened at home and abroad recently, our daily lives are gradually being restored in stages. The world is now preparing for the post-COVID era. Atomy's overseas branches are stretching, busy making preparations to usher in a new era, a new environment. Atomy headquarters visited the actual sites. We will meet with the Executive Director, Yun-Woo Lee. Hello, Executive Director Yun-Woo Lee. Hola! Hello! I am now in the Brazil branch in Sao Paulo. We'd all like to know the details of your schedule. Well, it is mostly meeting many businessmen working really hard here, listening to the questions they have, improvements they wish to see, sharing global news and the current status of the branches, and communicating with them. I see. How would you describe the current status of the US branch? The US, Mexico, and Colombia are now transitioning from COVID pandemic to endemic. Government restrictions are now loosened. We are having offline seminars as we did before, and the centers are working actively as they did before. We were told that you met many members there. So what were their main interests? Right, so the members in the Americas were very interested in the global business. They had a lot of questions and were highly interested in the branches slated to open in Latin America. Just like Korea, in most of the countries, quarantine upon entry was lifted. The entry requirements were also loosened, and so Canada, the US, Mexico, Colombia, and Brazil are passionately waiting for the chairman and leader's visit. Lastly, what are the plans or goals for overseas branches? Okay, so Atomy is growing as a global company, as if every day is a new day. The pandemic brought us closer through online. Atomy is sparing no effort to further develop and improve your global business environment. Global Atomy, it's all about you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. We look forward to seeing you again in good health in Korea. Thank you. Next, let's meet Director Sok Yoon Kwan in Europe. Hello, Director. Yes, hello. Nice to meet you. We are exchanging greetings online. Why are you visiting Europe? We are opening a branch in Turkey, which is in Europe, and then in the UK. And we are currently preparing to open one in Europe. So I am here to examine the opening here, the legal areas, and also to examine the activities of our members. Ah, I see. We'd like to know the details of your schedule. So, the UK is providing members in Europe with logistics services. And so, in order to improve the logistics services so that our members don't have to go through any difficulties, through a separate meeting with the logistics company, we wish to find a solution where we can deliver to all parts of Europe in 10 days. And I am visiting the UK to find a solution to support the members in the UK a little more efficiently. Ah, I see. So how's the situation these days? Most of the regions in Europe are now removing the restrictions against COVID-19. So, restrictions against offline meetings were removed. So, as of April 1st, starting from the UK, we are searching for ways to efficiently support offline seminars by region. Members can now move around freely, so we will find solutions to enable them more effectively. You must have met with the local members, so what are their main interests? Above all, I could feel their love for Atomy. Seeing them explain about our products passionately to people participating in the seminars, the confidence in the experiences they had, I am confident that Atomy can expand further in Europe in the future. We are planning to put forward our best efforts for the activities of our members. Okay, thank you. Lastly, what are the plans and goals for the European continent? During the latter half of this year, and then until the first half of next year, we are planning to actively support local seminars or center seminars in Germany, Spain, and the UK. We ask you leaders to come to Europe a lot and execute Atomy business actively here. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you. Atomy is targeting the European market in earnest in 2022. That is why the roles of each overseas branches are more important than ever. We look forward to seeing them excel moving forward. Every day is a new day. Every day at Atomy is new. Recognizing the new changes and innovation in 2022, Atomy was able to make various achievements despite the uncertainties in the world and finish the first quarter of this year successfully. How about using the various aforementioned systems and taking on the challenge of doing business overseas? We're looking forward to becoming the top global company based on endless efforts and passion for the success of the customers. This was Global Insight. Thank you.